Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
Natrai ladengi pai biang syakatu ko order kaba nakaliang ka Honorable High Court jomi ka laai ya ka we ko order kabedei bat ka export ya umausun lane ulaim stun kabadei haka arfloitrik ubenai jun arhajar arkuar ka High Court badon burom jong jela Meghalaya jongi kala ai kladar ba haba pi export ya umausun udon arjat uwei ngi ong major but uwei ngi ong minor tena kata kadau ladayat haka kerteng jong ke major katkum ko order na ka Honorable High Court kong ba pila ban export tinrei la day haka kerteng jong ka minor ka bamot pinam la ban export to tina kaliang jong ka sarkar ngilale kumnu naman ngiskutu kan don ti issue kabikren sa ka minor and major tingla take up bat ka Ministry of Mines and Coal Ministry nang ta susu la take up bat ka Commerce Ministry te ka bangas ngobaha ban pentip yapi bana kaliang jong ka Coal Ministry bat ka Commerce Ministry na ka Commerce Ministry kadai ka bangiyo ya kani ka clarification ka notification ka basay kada na Director General jong ka Foreign Trade Ministry of Commerce and Industry Ministry bat kata ka clarification baki ai ka longba ya umausun be it minor be it major la ban export sa Bangladesh lani siya kanukanukari hapo ka pertay barokoy te menne ka don ka hearing hakaba ka Honorable High Court hadin baklayo iya ka affidavit ka ban nakaliang jong sarkar klapha lemba jong Advocate General jongi Amit Kumar ka bang sngo bahapan pentip akan ka por baka court ka Honorable High Court menne kala ai ya ka oral observation bat kata ka oral observation kolong ba kanum khang menta ban export ya limestone la kadai minor leni la kadai major te namar nadu utu benajun ko mga ong yapi ya kasalan ban export sa Bangladesh ubaya ka keteng minor ngi claim isu salan su like no tangi major tenrei nasngo bahaban pentip syafi ba menne kasni haka hearing ka bana kaliang jong ka Honorable High Court kala ai kalong ka oral observation ka ai kalong ba kinnem khang ya ka export katkum ka to ka affidavit ka bana kaliang ka Coal and Mine Ministries kala ai batru ya ka order ka ba ngiyo na ka Ministry of Commerce ka ba hap apo Director General jong ka Foreign Trade kata ka ba nga kwa ban pentip banang ni syakmat ya ka salan hakabay day bat limestone major minor ka sarkar jela kanla ya ka ban isu biang salan bat ban sedang biang ya ka ni ka export